like Django Lover. Feelings to the swing like Timbani cat. Churu a churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing? Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know I do.
Hello, besties. I'm back with purple hair. I look good in this camera, but I don't look good in the... Something ain't right.
It's because I'm not in it.
So yeah, we are at the hotel. We're finally in Puerto Rico. We just, you know, got ready, got done up, put our lashes on and everything. We're about to go to a place called Barrachina. And then we're gonna explore Old San Juan. It's a very popular place. So Barrachina is a place where they invented the Pina Colada. So that's gonna be really interesting to go to. So I'm with my girls. I'm probably not going to vlog too much. I don't know. It's gonna be a little short vlog because I want to show y'all San Juan and our experience because we about to have a good time and we about to look cute every day. We're gonna have pictures and we're gonna catch vibe here in this territory. You anything you want to say?
Period.
Okay, period. So unfortunately, Barrachina had a super long wait list, so make sure you're doing reservations before because it is a must go to place. We're gonna go tomorrow, but today we decided to go to Eater. Anyways, hey y'all, I'm getting all oily. It's about time to wrap this up. We are at a rooftop dinner. We're eating. We're about to eat. He never brought my drink. Hey y'all, Amber, what drink you got?
La Fresca.
La Fresca. That means strawberry. But it's watermelon. You know what? It might be that. I'm wrong. Anyway, she about to try that. Go ahead and drink it. Drink it. You look so cute drinking it. Did you do that on purpose? The hair is giving. It's just blowing.
I'm so socially awkward.
They're not saying happy birthday to me, but I'm gonna pretend like they are. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
It's not about you yet.
Okay guys, so we just finished eating. I'm getting really oily. I kind of like the restaurant, I kind of did not. I kind of wish I didn't really order there. My well done steak was too well done. Normally it's not like that, it's usually still fine, but this one, I don't know, it's kind of hard to cut. I never had a steak that was hard to cut. You know, it's kind of hard to chew. I rarely ever have steak that's hard to chew. And I know you guys are gonna be like, well, you should never got well done. But most of my well dones be nicely done and it's still chewable and cuttable, so I don't usually have this problem. But yeah, well, some issues with my order, my friend's order, but you know, it's resolved. So after this, we're probably gonna go to La Placita, which is like a place where you can party and a bar hop. I'm pretty much gonna keep my same outfit on because I want everyone to see my outfit. My hair is, I don't know. But we're not going back to the hotel, so I had to hurry up and eat my food up. And we're just, you know, wrapping up, hopefully take some more pictures, and then we're gonna go get in an Uber and go to La Placita.
Tonight was lit. Puerto Rico get down. When I tell y'all, Puerto Rico get down, baby.
They get, y'all can't even see me get down, so never mind.
But yeah, it gets down.
A nice night, especially after we had an Eater, because that wasn't.
I don't like that name.
I didn't like
the Eater.
Yeah, I don't like the Eater name. And I didn't really like our food like that. But it's a nice place to go. It's very popular in San Juan, so everyone always goes there. So I guess you could check it out for the views or whatnot. I'd probably say order a little appetizer. If you're going on a little date, it might be cute. But I was just like, when we got to La Placita, there was a lot of restaurants there. We was like, dang, we should just eat here, party there, go here. So it was kind of cool. So tomorrow we're definitely going back again. We were going to go to Club Brava, but we're not going to go anymore. We're going to go right back there. And hopefully I get loose again. Like 2:30 in the morning. So it's time to go to bed. My eyes, because I'm a little tipsy, my eyes are closing. So that's it. Good morning, besties. So we stayed at a popular hotel called Embassy Suites since Puerto Rico does not have all-inclusive, but this at least had free hot breakfast. I'm not gonna lie, the French toast sticks were so good. Now this is my breakfast. I actually just came from downstairs. Look how high we are up here on the 7th floor. So I got French toast, some eggs, got an omelet, some potatoes, and yeah. So I just want to give y'all a little hotel room tour. This is like a suite. We got the big old TV. And then a couch. It's also a pull-out couch. Just somewhere to eat. And the water. There's me. Microwave, mini fridge. They got all this stuff here. Then the bathroom. I already got my flat iron out, y'all. It's like this. This little closet. And then we already just moved our stuff in, so don't mind the mess. Another TV. And then I'm gonna get to the view. So the view is pretty nice. I don't have any complaints about the hotel so far. On our last day, we plan to do a beach day and then a pool day. So we'll be right back here at this beautiful pool. I'm gonna actually blend my lips out because we are about to go to El Morro, Forte, something like that, and it's actually in Old San Juan. And after that, we're gonna be going on a ferry to get to Casa Bacardi because that's one of our excursions that we're doing today. So it looks like good weather today, so we hope to have some fun. And I got my purse, but we're gonna put that on in a second.
Yeah. Oh.
So guys, we just arrived at Placita del Morro, something like that. It's humid and hot, so my camera's fogging up, but the views are beautiful. It's a National Historic Site. This site is a very popular attraction in San Juan, and it is just $10 for adults. It was used as a fort during the Second and First World Wars. Pause, because do you guys see this? This is so beautiful and romantic. This is why you should never settle to get something grand romantic like this. So after the El Morro Museum, we came to Casa Bacardi, and I definitely suggest you guys coming here. We did the Legacy Tour, which is about $40 per person, but they have other things that you can do, like a rum tasting tour and even a mixology class where you guys can create your own cocktail, which I feel like is pretty cool. But I won't talk too much. I'll show you a glimpse of how it is.
Most ordered cocktails around the world. Previously, it was also used to create the mojito and daiquiri. Don Facundo's children enhanced his
Building in Havana, Cuba. This place was full of celebrities, actors, singers, songwriters, very famous people that came from the U.S. mainland. But how did they end up finding this bar in Havana? We're going with Bacardi Superior. Next, we've got Bacardi Gold. Bacardi Gold is aged 2 to 3 years, and this is the father of the Cuba Libre. People think that the original recipe of Cuba Libre is with Superior, but no, it's with Gold. My friend right here. And some lime. It's important that if it's the original recipe, it will involve some lime. So if you ask your bartender to make you
They let us do a tasting of the premium Bacardi that they have, so we all took shots. So we learned about Bacardi. We just finished the tour. It was like 45 minutes long, but it was 30 for us. You like the tour? How'd you like it? Yeah, it was interesting. I think I didn't know that the Bacardi on the logo has a bat on it. I never knew that. Look at it, y'all. You see like this? The bat is their logo. I never realized that. And that's because they had bats flying all over their distillery. So that was one of the things that we learned, which is interesting. We did a little tasting, and pretty much it. It was really a short tour. It was about $34 total. It's cool. It's interesting. The Legacy Tour ends at their souvenir shop where you can literally look or purchase any to take home as a souvenir. They'll give you a ticket for a free drink, which I will say was very sugary, but anyways, after that, we went to go board the Puerto Rico ferry. Hey guys, so we are on a ferry ride right now. So we're actually moving now. This ferry was like 50 cents, literally, like you really can't complain. And like the views are so pretty. What are you doing? And the lighting is hitting.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know.
So after that, we finally got to go back to San Juan, where we're able to finally go back to Barrachina, which is the home of Pina Coladas. You guys have to get a Pina Colada from here. And must I say, the food was absolutely delicious. I love the food in Puerto Rico, like so much that we went to another restaurant that night. And this restaurant was called Trois Saisons, and they even gave me a dessert. Hey guys, so like day 3 of the trip. I will say the wind is pretty lethal here, and it just sounds crazy to just have to hear me like that because I know you guys are struggling. But long story short, last night did not really go as planned. Some things went down, and I just wanted to move on. So I will say it kind of did decrease the fun in the trip, but we're still gonna have fun. So we went back to El Morro Forte again because the $10 ticket gives you another access to the other side of the castle, and I feel like this one was even more beautiful. It's a 20-minute walk back down, but this one is so much more beautiful. Like the views here were so immaculate. I love this side.
Hey, we just can't have clean water. Why is it so hard for people to take care of the planet? Like, I'm really being about sustainability right now. Like, we just need to recycle, be more cautious of our actions. I just want to be a green thumb now.
Green thumb. Okay, I like that.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires. I know.
So for our last day, we decided to go horseback riding at the El Yunque Rainforest, which was also an excursion. We paid about $49 or $59, and I've rode horses elsewhere, but this just felt relaxing. Shortly after, we decided to get brunch at Bistro Cafe. Like, this is actually kind of further from San Juan, but the food here is so cool, really good, and really big. Distrito T-Mobile is a place to definitely check out. It was just formed in 2021, so recently. And here you can do so much things. They have a couple places to eat and drink. They also even have an indoor park where you can do indoor zip lining. There's a movie theater where you can just chill. So before we went to the pool, we decided to relax at the beach and get into the water. This is Isla Verde Beach, and it was very nice. Thanks for watching.
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.